Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Yesterday, I helped a young lady figure out how to do this, and then when she sent me a picture, um, and I appreciate the picture. Next time, send me the file. It's a lot clearer. I mean, you get the screen, monitor. I could not understand how the Indian is gone between the lines, between the text. So we're going to do this a couple of different ways. I've got my text here, and so I'm going to make a lot of copies of this because I'm going to probably mess it up. And if we do this right here and we make a duplicate of the text and then take this text and have no outline or no fill, and then you go here and you intersect it, that does exactly what I wanted to do. But when you put the Indian back, it's still there. It's just the missing pieces. Because I started thinking this was, and also the text is black except for where the Indian is, which is pretty cool. But that's easily done by, well, let's move this text out of the way. And see, you move this up, move this back, and then go object, order, back a page. Well, now I got to move the Indian up, or the order front of page. And you just can't, well, that didn't work either. I need to move this to the front of the page. So you get that, but you know what? Now we need to move the text out of the way and put this on top of that. So go to object, order, front of page, and then move the Indian back. But so that's cool, except for there's no space between the Indian, and I must have jiggled it a little bit. So, and that's why I made a lot of copies. So, and I'm real curious to, maybe after I send her this video, she'll tell me how she did it, but I'm just thinking this would be one way to do it. Let's make a duplicate of that, and let's left click, right click, and let's do this. Let's move this out of the way for a second. Well, put it back, and let's take a rectangle, and we're going to start. Kind of hard to see. You know what? Let me make this text red so we can see it more. And I'm going to make a rectangle from like right. That didn't work. Take a rectangle and draw a rectangle around the text. Then let's move this out of the way more. Let's move our text out of the way. And let's do this. And now let's trim this. So that took that out. You see what I'm talking about? Then let's move that out of the way. And it actually looks like it's filled in with white, but if we take a yellow box, order back a page, the Indian is just gone, or part of his Indian. And you know what I didn't do? I didn't, so then you put this back, but what I did not do is intersect it. Thankfully, I have some copies. So now we're going to intersect that, and we have that, and we're going to go to object, order, front of page. So now it's more like her picture. We've got nothing there, and it's pretty much dead on to that. But I'd be curious if she went about it a different way. And let's take away the outline of this. Well, that isn't going to matter. Take away the outline of that. Not going to really matter. I'm seeing some lines. Now, there we go. Now it's white lines. So you can tell the break. I like it. I'll make a second video if she came up with a different way that I just did it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.